guys, welcome to my channel. As you guys know, this is your girl Naika. Now today's video is another unboxing video. So I received both of my Boxy charm products. So I have my regular Boxy for November and I have my Boxy Premium. So what I love about Boxy, I never really know what's inside of it. So let's get right into the surprises and see what your girl got this month. Alright guys, so no don't pay me no mind. So guys, the first one I'm gonna open up is my regular Boxy for the month. See what they surprised your girl with this month. Of course, like I said, I always love the products that I get in here, so I'm excited to see what I have in store. Alright, so let's open up this one and then we'll get right into my premium. Right, so let's see. This is my regular Boxy. Ooh, look like I got a coupon. Natasha Benona is treating charmers to 25% off site-wide. Use code NDXBOXY. So I got a little 25% off going on here. That's what's up. So the theme, of course, for this month is Boxy Charm Harvest. Right, so as you guys can see, I have a couple of products in here. And as you guys know, at the back of the box, at the back of it is always the products that you receive and the products that you receive in your box and how much they cost. So my box is worth a total of $230 this month. So we'll show you exactly what products it is and how much they were each. Right, so the first thing I got was a 111 Skin. If you guys know 111 Skin, that glare. Right, so if you guys know 111 Skin, Hydraulic Acid Aqua Booster. So this is actually $135. Can you believe it? $135, damn. And y'all know I like 111 Skin. Right, so this is $135. Right, so it is a, like I said, a hydraulic aqua booster, acid aqua booster. So this is what it looks like, a nice little cute silver bottle. I have a lot of 111 Skin products and I am so happy about it. Right, so I also got a Parsley Quench Moisture Replenishing Serum. Now the good thing is that I do like this brand. I never had a huge full-size product of this brand. I mean, I've had their serums, but I never had, like, I've had the little bottles. I never had a big bottle. So to have a huge bottle, this is amazing. So it's a hydrate and replenishing serum and is good for moisturizing your skin. I don't have anything bad to say about this brand so far. So I'm hoping that this bottle does me justice as everything else that they have offered me. This is actually $24. This bottle is $24. I also got the half caked chain game changer 3 lip fondants. Ooh, this is what the bottle looks. This is what the box looks like. How cute is that? So it looks like a deck of cards. Looks like a deck of cards. And it has 3 lip fondants. So let's see what these fondants are. So these are the colors. These are nice colors. So we got that nice little deep burgundy. It's close to my lip color again. Right, so that's what we got there. Right, then we got that nice like a deep mauve pink color. Yep. And then we got a lighter, like a mauve, but like a light mauve, color. I would say, like, I always make them a little lighter than, it's variations. Right, so these are the colors. Very pretty, very pretty. I could see myself wearing all of these, honestly. Honest to goodness, I see myself wearing all of these. Right, and I love the box. The box is like a little, like I said, the box is like a little deck of cards. I'm trying to close it back. It's like a little deck of cards. It's so cute, right? So then the next thing I got is Jekka Black Liquid Corrector. So it's, what is that? Liquid corrector offers a light coverage and correct under eye darkness. So if you had darkness underneath your eyes from not sleeping much, this is supposed to help you. Liquid corrector. I haven't heard of this brand. This is the first time I'm hearing about them. So I will try, because I barely get any sleep, so I run on fumes a lot. So I know I probably have dark circles under my eye that is not always noticeable, but it's there. I see it. I see it. So I would try this. I would try this. And then I got Benefit Gimme Brow. I love Benefit Cosmetics. This is, like I said, Gimme Brow. This is the brow gel that I use on my eyebrows. I love it. Once I do like my brush up on my eyebrows, then I put a little bit of concealer from the top on the top and then at the bottom, and that's how I do my brows when I go out. But I use the Gimme Brow. I don't use, sometimes I use I used to use brow pomade, but I like to mix up my products to see what I'm more favorable as. And what I like about this is because it's a brush. It is a brush. It is a brush. So if you guys can see, it is actually a brush. And you just stroke the hairs of your eyebrows, and it gives it that color and that fullness that you need with that strokes from the brush. So yeah, I love this Gimme Brow. So there you guys have it for my regular Boxy charm. Just to show you guys again, I got my Benefit Gimme Brow. I got my Benefit Gimme Brow. Let me prop this up. Everything's standing up. Right, so I got my Benefit Gimme Brow. I got my 3 lip colors. I got my Farsley moisture serum. I got my 111 Skin. My 111 Skin, guys, that's $135. And I got my eye corrector for dark circles. So this is what I got in my regular Boxy. I love the products. They're all full size, and I know it's things that I will use. So that Gimme Brow, yes. The lippies, yes. That moisture cream, moisture, yes. 111 Skin Hyaluronic Acid Aqua Booster, definitely, yes. I love my serums. And the corrector, never heard of the brand, never tried it before, but I will. And hopefully everything is good. So that's what I got in my regular Boxy. Now let's dive right in to that premium, because you know premium's always got some other good stuff in store for you. Right, so all right, guys. So this is my Boxy Premium. Of course, you guys know the box is always bigger. The subscription is $35 plus tax. Of course, depending on your state, you will know what tax it is. Yes, you will know what taxes that you're gonna get charged for this. Let me open this up. Okay, so let's see what we got here. All right, so as you guys know, Boxy Harvest is the theme, and they give us that pamphlet with every, oh gosh, stop showing blank. Right, so they give it that pamphlet with everything that we got in our box. So this box is worth $273 is how much this box is worth. I ain't complaining. So let's see what we got up in here. You know, we want to make sure everything is accounted for. Everything is accounted for. Okay, and I'll let you guys know exactly, you know, how much each product costs. So this is Il Masque Artistry Palette, Unveiled Artistry Palette. So this is what it is, the box. Let's open this up. Let's see what we got here. They got a little... Right, so here we go. Oh, a nice little mauve color palette. Nice, fancy. Ooh, okay. This what we doing now with the nudes? This what we doing now with the neutrals? Oh, this is cute. Oh, yes. All right, guys, don't pay me no mind. So, I love this. I love this. I absolutely love this. I love all the colors. This is beautiful. This is a beautiful palette right here. I love the feel. I love actually the feel of the whole box. This is nice. This is really, really nice. So I really like this. I ain't mad at it, guys. I ain't mad at it. I'm gonna leave the box out. Okay, so next thing I got, because this is Boxy Premium. It looked like they bubble wrapped everything at the bottom. This is what we doing here. Okay. I got a dose of color. Okay, so let me take this puffy puff out. So it looks like I got 2 brushes. What is this? Oh, this is like a skincare brush. You use it, how to use the cleansing brush. It has a cleansing brush and it's a silicone mask applicator. So you can actually use it for mask and you can actually use it to cleanse. So you have a cleansing brush and a mask applicator. So it looks like the side opened, but I'm gonna open it correctly from the top. And this is what these brushes look like. Right, see, this is, I believe this is the cleansing brush and this is silicone mask applicator. So the silicone mask applicator has these little bristles on it. I wish you guys can see with this damn lighting. It don't even matter at this point. Right, so, and then this has like the little knobs at the top because it's white. You can't really see. Right, so this is what it looks like. Right, so these are these two brushes here. So, the palette was $50. These two brushes, skincare brush set, is $25. It is $25 for the set. Skincare brush set. Right. Then we have the Glow Alchemist. So I've had this brand before. I do have a few of their products. This is a detox night cream. So this is what it looks like. It is a night cream. These are one of the aluminum tubes where you have the little push button, like the pointy part inside the cap. Flip it over and you use it to pop open the actual aluminum film that covers the product. Yeah. So that's one of these. So I do have a few of their products. I haven't used them yet. I've always gotten these products. I have so much stuff. So much stuff, guys. I have a lot. So I try to get through them, and then the next month comes, I get more good stuff, so you know what I'm saying. Right, so yeah, so this is what I have from Glow Alchemist. That cost, I believe that cost a lot of money. Yeah, so this is $125. $125. $125, right. This one is Ilia Color Rock High Impact Lipstick. So this is what the box looks like. And it's a color block. Does it say color block? Color block. Interesting. Is it color block? No. It's not color block at all. But it's like a mauve. It's like a nice mauve color. These colors look good on me. They go with my skin tone. See? I don't even have to do much. They go with my skin tone. See, it's similar to the color that I have up here. But you see it's a bit lighter. So it will go more with my skin tone. Guys, I need to take this little liquid thing dripping on my hand, because next thing you know I get it on my good couch. On my good dining chairs. I'll be upset. I'll be upset. Right. And then I got so that Ilia is $28. So I got Dose of Colors. I got an eyeshadow, Lock and Key. This is the Block Party single eyeshadow. Let me see what color this is. It's called Block Party. If this is the color that I wanted, this would be funny. It would be funny if it's the color that I wanted. I don't know I don't remember the color that I wanted. Oh, but it's a nice neutral color. Look at that. Whew, guys, look at that. Look at that, baby. Right, so this is nice. This is nice. This is nice. Right, so yeah. This is nice, guys. Okay. That Dose of Color is $20. Right? I do have a lot of eyeshadows like that, so I do feel like I am gonna end up gifting it. And then the Reeler Lip Liner Duo. So it's a lip liner duo. This comes in this little tube. It is $25. So dang. Alright, so these are the two lip duos right here. Right, you get two different colors, and like that, they match with a lot of the lipsticks that I already have gotten. So that's good. That's really, really good. So I'm just like, so it'll be like a nice little line off to your lipstick that you're currently wearing. So to show you guys exactly the final things that I got for my Boxy charm. So I got the lip duo, I got the two skincare brushes, I got the palette, I got the Glow Alchemist, I got the Dose of Colors, and I got Ilia Lip Color Block. Right, so I believe that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 products worth Always, always, always. Nothing ever stays. Worth $273. Right? So there you have it, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is my unboxing of my Boxy charm. Thank you so much for supporting your girl and watching. Right? All right, so please don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every time your girl posts a video. Thank you so much for watching, girl. Your Rasta girl is out. Bye, guys.